Hey guys, welcome back. So we're back again with another short video tutorial, and in this video we will be learning how we can fix the Windows 10 startup problems. So we will be learning how we can fix the automatic repair loop in our Windows 10 or Windows 11 devices. And so for that, we will be opening first the settings. So please go to your settings, make a right click here in the Windows icon, and then go click on the settings option. And there you will need to find the update and security or the privacy and security option. So please make a click on that, and then here we will be looking for the recovery option. So please go with system, and then if you're seeing the recovery option here, so please make a click on that. So in this recovery option, all you need to do is just to click on this advanced startup restart now button. So this will restart your device to change startup settings, including starting from a disk or USB drive. So once you're done, where you have done this one, you will be seeing a blue screen there. That is the automatic repair loop. So since I will not be doing that because the software that I am using for this screen recording of this video will be automatically cut. That's why I'll be just saying to you or telling to you what options to click on. So first, click on troubleshoot option, and then click on advanced option, and then there you will see the startup repair button. So please click on that, and then proceed with advanced options again, and then now go with the troubleshoot option. So here you will be seeing the command prompt window or the command prompt option. So please click on that to see the command prompt window. And then from here, I will now be telling you the commands that you will type in the command prompt window. So let me just quickly open the command prompt window. So in this window, all you need to do is just to type first the system file checker provided by the Microsoft. So we will type sfc /scan now. And then once you have done typing this one, just please click on enter in your keyboard. And then from here, we need to type C:, click on enter again. And then we need to type dir, click on enter again. After doing that, we need to type the command cd /Windows /system32 /config. After typing this one, just please click on enter again, and then after that we need to type mmd. So let me just quickly erase everything in here. So we will be typing #md backup, and then click on enter again. After this one, we need to type copy **** and then click on enter again. Next thing is cd /regback, and then click on enter. After this one, we need to type dir, and then enter again. And then lastly, we need to type copy ***, and then click on enter. And after all those commands, we need to type exit to exit the window. And from there, we need now to click on continue to finally reboot back to the Windows 10 system. Okay? And after doing that, you have now successfully fixed the problem. So I hope you learned something from this video. And if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I'll be seeing you again on the next one. Bye bye.